counter, it's a mess, but my kids love it.
Why not use a cube of butter?
The kids like spraying.
I'm with Bob on this. I like real butter.
Real butter.
I like real butter.
Real butter out of us.
No, real.
I also got a silicone.
Oh my god, I can't even hold the camera straight. Look at
They sold a lot of. I'm sorry, I meant the.
Oh my god. Oh my fucking god.
There's not a cigarette cold. It's outside them smoke break.
I'm about to die. Oh, he can't hear me. He has like, he needs like a hearing aid or some shit probably. Oh.
Let's move on.
So, do you do your house, clean your house naked? Give us a call.
No.
Oh my god.
People really.
Oh shit.
Why wouldn't they?
I don't know. It just seems dangerous.
I know people that whenever they have a chance to take off barefoot.
Look at his face. I can't hold it straight.
It keeps your carpets clean. I don't really like wearing shoes in my house.
Oh, all these wrists are like fucked up.
I never say no to a free gift. And right now, during $15 gift card at Taylor, please gift
Please,
free
camera.
with any